Did you know you can buy an iPhone Slim phone just only for £200? Yep, this is the Tecno Pova Slim and it looks almost similar to iPhone Air, which is £1,000. So this phone has incredible specs like 6.7 FHD plus AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate with 4500 nits brightness. This phone have dual camera setup at the back. One is 50 megapixel main camera and the second one is 2MP depth camera, and the selfie camera is 30 megapixel camera. Also, many things will force you to buy this phone like 5160 mAh battery with 44Hz fast charging, 5G support phone, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, and it does support NFC. Chipset MediaTek Dimensity 6400 and IP64 dust and water resistant rating, and 8GB RAM and 256 ROM. So all of these features cost you around £200. But there's one thing which much more cheaper than this channel subscribe button. So do subscribe now.